Thaa ithatu na ndagika 15 cia rucini nirio ihenya riambiriirie. Eliud Kipchoge akiugiririo ni macambiki aria mekwiyumiritie kwiyonera njamba ĩno akiandikithia rugano rutari rwandikwo na hau kabere. Mwaka wa 2017 Kipchoge ahitirie rekondi ĩno na sekondi 23 ihenya riria riari mucio wa Monza, Italy. No rita riri Kipchoge ateng'era ahoreire na ihurirwo ni mayo ma kurikia ihenya.
Anybody to race, just the clock, and it was all about the clock today.
Ihenya ria Ineos 159 rirari na mehariria maingi na mabata. Wa mbere aria ateng'eri aria maguteithagiriria Kipchoge kwaga kuregeria ihenya. Ateng'eri aya 41 makugayanitio ikundi-ini 7 makinyitanira gutigirira Kipchoge ndananyihia ihenya riake.
That without this first. So this is the kind of pioneer moment, and then there'll be another pioneer.
Kipchoge ahutirie rurigi na ithaa rimwe ndagika 59 na sekondi 40 na gutuika muteng'eri wa mbere thiini wa thi guteng'era ihenya ria marathoni ya kiromita 42 rungu rwa mathaa meeri.
And there is the money shot, as they say.
Wow.
And his wife running out, Grace there. He's behind.
Ona gukiri uguo ihenya riri rikuingiria Kipchoge ibuku-ini ria maundu ma kiririkano ria Guinness, no ritiko muingiria rekondi-ini ya ibuku ria mahenya. Mama ma maundu maria makugiririria aingire rekondi-ini ya mahenya ni gukorwo maya matiuma macindano, na macindano no nginya makorwo na ateng'eri matanyihiire 3. Muteng'eri ndagiriire gutongorio ni ngari ya kumuthimira ihenya riake. Ndagiriire ni kuheo mai ona kana kindu gia kunyua giteng'era gitaumite wabici-ini cia mahenya. Ateng'eri a kumuthimira ihenya matiagiriire gucenjanio gatagati-ini ka mangi.
Big marathon in him. Has he got?
I say every kilometer in 250. You know, I think I cannot make it that in even if I have to run only 800 meters. So staying in that really is a mental part of it. You know, this one is you train day in, day out. Even when you are sleeping, it's like you're calculating.
Atanateng'era Kipchoge anirire ati ndarateng'era ni tondu wa
Here,
mbeca.
but one of those, Wilson Kipchoge, is with Radzi. Let's hear his thoughts about what we've just seen.
Gutire mundu utangihota gwika uria eririirie. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, getwa Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.
In terms of conversation, it has been about 5 months of absolutely every day.